Oye can monitor, analyze, and report real-time online conversations among Hispanics as well as historical data. This data is increasing in demand not only because the number of the Hispanic population is growing, but also because the purchasing power that this community has. The problem is that today, brands and communication agencies are seeking for intelligence analytics to really understand how Hispanics communicate online. Most technology today, they are unable to provide accurate information about how Hispanic communicate. They are unable to distinguish the variations between Spanish, Spanglish, and perhaps Portuguese or even Italian. Furthermore, most of these technology are lacking the capability to provide a specific geographic information and sentiment analysis. Oye is in beta, and we have the capability to offer our clients inside report with social media analysis, sales, and stock statistics, as well include comparative analysis into conversations drivers, as well as social influencer. Our goal is to continue developing our technology and allow our clients to have access to a dashboard where they can manually drive and segregate all the insight and the volume of conversations among Hispanics based on a specific geographic location or based on a specific campaign. Oye was co-founded by myself and Eric Diaz. Eric and I also co-own a multicultural agency called Nativa, where we work with different brands and organizations, helping them to understand how Hispanics communicate online. In 2013, Dave Wang joined our team as our CTO. Dave brings the experience in big data analysis. He's a former physicist at Bell Labs, and also he's author of 2 books, and is the current chief scientist of a multi-million-dollar company that drive big data analysis. Our target clients are brands and organizations. They are currently developing campaigns for Hispanics. Oye will be able to provide the missing data to really create content that is culturally relevant for this demographic. Oye should be the startup of the year because our mission is focused on assisting brands to bridge the cultural gap with Hispanics. Furthermore, Oye will provide brands and organizations an opportunity to create cultural relevant communication strategy and assist government agencies and non-for-profit organizations to provide the needed resources to the Hispanic community. The Oye team is very excited to be part of the Hispanic Size and the Latino Startup Alliance event this year in Miami. And we really look forward to answering all your questions during the conference. Thank you.